Hi, this is Welchlin, and welcome to SeminarsOnStress.com. Today's video blog is on stress management. The question is, how much sleep do I need? Kit, I put in long hours. I get up early, stay up late, and I tell you, when I hit the bales at night, that's farm talk. That means go to bed and go to sleep. I tell you, I'm out. I grab a few hours of sleep and I'm back at it, feeling pooped and kind of grumpy. Well, adults should sleep 7 or more hours per night on a regular basis to promote optimal health. Sleeping less than 7 hours per night on a regular basis is associated with adverse health outcomes, including weight gain and obesity, diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, stroke, and depression. Sleeping less than 7 hours per night is also associated with impaired immune function, increased pain, impaired performance, increased errors, and greater risk of accidents. The importance of getting enough sleep seems obvious, but is perhaps the most violated principle of all. Everyone knows that athletes must get enough sleep and adequate rest prior to a competition for peak performance. It's the same for you and your performance at work. Whether our obstacle is an athletic event or an organizational challenge, the same physiological changes are activated in our bodies. No matter if what we do for a living, we are required adequate rest so that our energy is at maximum levels when we need it. After a challenging day or event, we need to rest to recoup our resources. Getting enough sleep, getting enough rest is necessary and extremely beneficial. No more grumpy guy here. I will go to bed early so I can get adequate rest. Then I will really be able to cut the mustard. Now that's farm talk again. I mean, be productive and industrious. Thank you for watching this video blog on stress management. And the question was, how much sleep do I need? More than 7 hours would be good. Be sure to sleep long enough so your body can repair and restore itself. It's the only one you got. If you and your coworkers are suffering from significant stress, contact me at kit@seminarsonstress.com, and I will deliver a presentation packed with dozens of stress management strategies. Check back to SeminarsOnStress.com regularly for a new video blog.